let's look at an example of setting up a Liver application to use the sqlyoga helper. So the first thing I'm going to do is update the app.yml file. And so in a Liver application here, I have a folder called new app, and it's a Liver application. So I'm going to open up the app.yml file. And the first step in configuring the app.yml file is to tell Liver that there is a new helper I want to use. So I'm in the helpers section here on line 44. I'm just going to add a new a path to the sqlyoga helper folder. And I'm just going to hard code that for now. That's going to be in development. That will be sqlyoga. So now I've told Liver where to find the helper. And sqlyoga, once you start using that helper in your application, there are some sqlyoga specific configuration options. And so at the root level, I can tell sqlyoga where to look for configuration files. So I'm going to add a sqlyoga key, configuration, file name, and I'm just going to store all of my configuration files in a folder called database. So I finish entering that information, then I'm going to add that database folder. That you see I'm using a relative path here, and that path is going to be relative to the app folder. So I'll create a new folder named database in the app folder, and that is where I can store my sqlyoga configuration information going forward.